Yes, what you have seen is correct. More than 1,128 pips of profit was delivered to our clients in the premium group of Telegram. And that is, by the way, amazing number. And I'm sure everyone in the group was very happy and satisfied for the experience. This is the premium group of Telegram. And as I'm going to scroll right in front of you, my friends, to show you everything without hiding anything at all. These are the signals that you are going to receive once you join the group. And as you can see, of course, the losses is part of this business. But however, I believe we had more than 80% winning ratio this week, and we have recovered any losses happened immediately. Check this out. All of these signals have went straight to the profit, and most of them went to the take profit number 2 and 3 as well. And let me show you this. This is amazing. Check this out. Check this out. That is outstanding. This is the real quality of Xtreme Trader Forex signals. This is what I was hoping for my entire life. Actually, this is actually what we have worked hard to have, my friends. As I said before, the small losses is part, of course, of this business. But however, the profits are much, much bigger than any losses happened. Look at that. Any losses happened has been recovered immediately. All of the signals, look at that. That is actually amazing. That's really great. And I'm very happy and proud of what Angela has done in the group. I'm sure this is last week. I'm sure this is actually the improvement of Xtreme Trader Forex signals, and I believe this is now a new beginning of the group. Hopefully, my friends, we have finally reached the level where we can satisfy the clients, and hopefully we will make sure that everyone ending their weeks in a very good and decent profit. So of course, if you wish to join Xtreme Trader Forex Signals group, please contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below this video. Contact them today, and hopefully we will see you there. Before we proceed with the weekly analysis, I just wanted to make a clarification right here. I have released yesterday this video, how did I analyze the market last week. Actually, this video is just like what you can call behind the scenes. This is how I actually was doing the analysis. Let me tell you something. The analysis that you are seeing right here is just the short version of the analysis. This one here, my friends, is actually offering a much deeper analysis, where actually I'm going to the pair and analyzing right before recording this video. So actually, I didn't do this video this week. I will do the video on the next week analysis. But however, I have already done here the analysis, and I'm going to show it to you. But however, I'm going right now from now on to post another video showing the behind of the scenes of analyzing the market. Maybe I will just here put behind the scenes. You can see me doing here more analysis in depth, checking the news, checking the DXY, checking the strength of the pair, whatever it takes. This video can be actually up to 1 hour of length. So just wanted to make sure that we are going to start right now a new series where I'm just analyzing the market with myself before recording the analysis video right here. So if you like the idea, please let me know. If you don't like the idea also, please share with me in the comments what you think about this idea, because I think it's going to bring a lot of benefits for everyone who want to learn how the real analysis is being done. So without further ado, let's now begin analyzing the pair for this week, and of course we will begin with the Euro USD. Now I believe the Euro USD is going to be for the bullish this week. Again, we are still having the inverted head and shoulders pattern, as we can see right here, and I believe the pair is eventually going to continue the rise till it reaches the previous support level right here on 1.14545. The pair so far is showing a lot of strength, or actually pressure, from the buyers, and we can see this clearly with this long tail right here. This long tail is telling us actually that the pressure on the support level of 1.12877 is quite strong, and there was a strong rejection from the market to break out from that level. We can see the rejection happened exactly right here, and right here, and right here, and right here as well. So we are having 4 evidences that the market has actually been rejected from breaking out from the support of 1.12877, and therefore I believe the market is going to continue the rise this week. If we check the daily chart, however, looking at the daily chart, we are still having this pattern, which indicates a bullish reversal, as I have mentioned last week, and therefore I believe the market now is respecting this support level right here on 1.12877, where exactly we are going to start buying the Euro USD. Going back to the 4-hour time frame, As I mentioned before, I'm expecting for the market to actually break out from the resistance of 1.13824 and continue the rise till it reaches the previously support level on 1.14323. However, for the safety measures and to make sure everyone is gonna hopefully end in a profit, if this signal has went in the direction I predicted, that hopefully we are going to actually make about 95 pips profit from this signal. Meanwhile, the safe zone will be ranging till the lowest level of this tail right here, because my friends, we are actually, as I said before, we are relying on these tails right here as showing the pressure from the buyers to reject the breakout from the support, and we are actually buying, and the edge of the safe zone will be placed at the edge or the lowest level of the longest tail. This is the longest tail among all of these four, and therefore the safe zone is going to be ranging till the lowest level of that support, because if the market is ever going to be able to make any breakout from that level, it means that the setup is no longer valid. But again, I really doubt that this is going to happen, because the pattern of head and shoulders usually is very trustworthy. However, as I mentioned before, the target is going to be right here on the resistance, just to make sure that the market won't reverse right here, and we're gonna actually lose any profits that we have made. So there goes your signal for the Euro USD. Hopefully it goes very well, and hopefully everyone will make a good profits out of it. Let's now check the Pound USD. I believe the Pound USD this week is going to be good for the buy as well. Right now, the Pound USD has actually reached a very strong support zone. As you can see right here, my friends, we are stuck in the middle between 1.31874 and 1.31324. This is the strongest support zone that we're having, and right now the market is approaching this level of a support zone. However, on the daily chart, I don't think that the pair is going to be able to actually break out from that level. So far, we don't have here any price action, indicates a bearish continuation, or a continuation, sorry, in the bearish movement. So far, we're having here, let me show you this long pin bar right here, which indicates usually that the market has already reached this support zone and immediately has been rejected. It shows a pressure from the buyers to push the market up at 1.31874. Therefore, I believe the Pound USD is going to be valid for the buy right from that level. Not only that, if we check the Fibonacci retracement, we can see that right now we are actually on the zone of 61.8. So right now we can see that the market, actually, my friends, always in Forex, the history repeats itself. Not always, but somehow, sometimes it happens. We can see that the market has reached 61.8 as well. And however, the market has showed a strong rejection right here to break out from that level. And so far, I don't see any signs that this bearish candle can continue the fall. Most likely, we're going to witness right here another candle reaches that level of a support. And after that, the rejection that we have seen right here and right here as well, going to repeat itself, and the market is going to reverse it. So therefore, I believe the Pound USD is going to be valid for the buy right from that level on 1.31874. And the target is going to be where this support has begun at 1.32835. Therefore, we are aiming to make approximately 92 pips profit from this signal. I think 92, right? 92 pips, yeah. And the safe zone will be ranging only for 55 pips. Hopefully it goes in profit, and hopefully everyone will make a decent profit out of it. Let's now check the AUD USD. Now the AUD USD signal, actually I have given it a lot of thoughts, and I believe the AUD USD is good to the buy right away, immediately at the opening of the market tomorrow on Monday. We can start buying the pair on 0.69987. Let me explain the reason. Let me just go to the current time. And as you can see, my friends, we are having right here what we can call a support number 1. Right now I'm on the daily chart. And right now we are having here already one attempt of a support, single attempt of the support, if we count it, of course, on the weekly chart. Let's go to the weekly chart. And as you can see right here, my friends, this is what we can call the support number 1. And right now the market is exactly on the support number 2. Not only that, we are having right here a support trend line, like that. and the market has actually made the bearish breakout from that support trend line. Now what's going to happen next is interesting, because usually what happens, the normal behavior of the market, that once the market actually made the bearish breakout from that support trend line, usually the market will go actually will continue the fall till it reaches the lowest level where we started drawing the support line, the support trend line, exactly right from here. Then after that, the market is going to continue the rise to retest the broken support trend line level, and after that, it's going to continue the fall. That's how usually the market behave. Therefore, I believe this is exactly where we can start shorting the pair, buying the pair at the current level of the lowest level of the support on 0.69987. And of course, the target will be where we can actually expect from the market to continue the rise to retest the broken support on 0.71065, which means we can expect to make approximately 108 pips of profit. Meanwhile, the safe zone will be ranging for about 54 pips only. There goes the signal for the AUD USD. Hopefully it goes very well, and hopefully it's gonna bring us lots of profits. Let's now check the USD CAD. USD CAD, my friends, and for the first time, and I usually don't do that, it has reached a very strong resistance zone. Usually I buy or sell on the first or second attempt of the resistance or the support, but this time I'm going to make some exception, and I'm going to announce that we can start shorting on the fifth attempt of the resistance, for a simple reason. First of all, that level is quite strong, and I don't see the market actually have any potential to make a bullish breakout from that level, especially with the weakness that the USD dollar is currently facing. Second reason is the pair is way overbought. We can see that the market didn't make any much pullbacks right here, and it was very small attempts to make the pullback. However, the market now reaching the strongest level of the resistance zone right here on 1.28688, and I believe most likely the pair is going to be valid for the short right from that level. Actually, I have made here a mistake. Let me just correct it. The short should be placed on 1.28688. Too bad for those who are just taking the screenshots without listening to me what I'm saying. They're going to miss this one, I believe. So anyway, what I was saying is we can start shorting the pair right here at 1.28688, and we're gonna make the target right here on the second attempt of the support. Let me zoom in and show you this. So right here, my friends, we had the resistance level, and right here a resistance as well, and this was the bullish breakout from that resistance level, and right here, my friends, we're having the first attempt of the support, which means that this is gonna be the support number one. Now what's gonna happen is that the market is gonna make here a pullback and is going to create support number two, and this support number two is going to be our profit. We are just aiming the reversal, the pullback only, because there is a chance that the market actually might be ranging inside that level. It depends, of course, on the strength that the level is going to face, but however, usually the market, if we check the history, we can see that the market has been ranging right after touching that resistance zone, except of course right here. But here we had a clear pin bar indicated that we can start shorting right here, and here as well we had a double wicks, which usually indicates as well a bearish reversal. But here, however, we don't have anything yet. So therefore, we cannot say that the market is definitely going to make a straight bearish reversal. It might actually be ranging on that level before finally falls down to create the second attempt of the support. But however, I strongly believe that the market is gonna reverse at that level. So therefore, my friends, here exactly where we're gonna start shorting the USD CAD, and hopefully it's going to make us good profits. We can expect about 94 profits from the signal. Meanwhile, the safe zone will be ranging for about 44 pips only. There goes the signal for the USD CAD. Hopefully it goes very well, and hopefully it's gonna bring us lots of profits. USD JPY, which again I'm facing trouble with. I mean, for I think the fifth week, I'm not lucky with analyzing the USD JPY. That's not gonna stop me. I believe now the USD JPY is showing a clear pattern where we can actually start shorting it. And please allow me to explain the reason. We are having, first of all, right here, a resistance trend line. And as we can see, the market has been respecting that resistance trend line. It has become actually one support trend line for only 2 attempts, but then immediately the market has made another bearish breakout. And again, we are seeing the market respecting the same level as a resistance trend line. Again, not only for once or twice, but twice, for 3 times as well. Therefore, I believe that the market is now finally pushing the market to go down. So the pair actually pushing the market to go down. Therefore, I believe that this candle right here is somehow deceiving. This pin bar here might actually telling us that we can start buying, but however, I think we can just witness a pullback upon the pressure on 112.799, and eventually the market is going to make the reversal right here exactly on 113.116. Now, why here? Why here exactly? Let me explain the reason. If we check the left, my friend, yes, exactly right here. This was right here. If we check the left, we can see that the same level was quite strong key resistance level. And right now, the pair has actually reached that level of the strong key resistance level. Not only that, of course. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, if we check carefully, this is what I'm telling everyone. Right now, we're having right here the bearish breakout candle from that support. And usually, the normal behavior of the market is going to continue to rise like that, and it's going to reverse exactly at the same level of the lowest level of the tail, which is the nearest one to the bearish breakout candle. So here we are having the bearish breakout. Here we are having the bearish breakout candle, and this is right here the nearest tail to that bearish breakout candle. Therefore, here exactly right here, like that, is where we can expect from the market to reverse like that. That's the reason I'm selecting this level as a trustworthy to start shorting the pair. Not to mention, of course, it was also a resistance level right here as well. Therefore, I believe that we can start shorting the USD JPY at 113.116. And let me just show you, the safe zone will be ranging for approximately 50 pips only. Meanwhile, the take profit level is going to be the nearest previous resistance right here, which is going to be approximately 107 pips. Hopefully, it's going to make a good profit. And I believe, right, if the USD JPY has ever reached this level, we can start right here buying the pair again, because we're having right here a previous resistance level, and most likely the pair, what's gonna happen, my friends, is gonna reverse again like that, retesting the broken resistance, and afterwards is going to continue the fall till it reaches that support right here. That's hopefully going to be our analysis for the remaining days of the week. But however, for the meantime, this is exactly what we will be doing with the USD JPY. Checking USD CHF. USD CHF signal is, I think, very simple. The pair now right now has actually reached a strong resistance zone, as we can see right here. And right now the market has actually shown a strong pressure to break out from that resistance and has failed for multiple times. Keep in mind, I'm on the 4-hour time frame. And as you can see right here, this long wick right here indicates a pressure from the sellers to push the market to go down. This long bearish breakout candle cannot be ignored. Most likely the market right now is just ranging, making consolidation for a short time. And upon the pressure from the resistance zone right here, we can witness another bearish breakout candle. The same movement right here, we can expect to see exactly right here as well. And the target eventually is going to be right here, the lowest level of the support on 0.91030. I have no doubt that the USD CHF signal is going to work. I give this one 5 stars as a trustworthy signal. I believe it's a very good one, and I believe, my friends, you can enter this signal with a proper lot size. But however, keep in mind that in business, in Forex business, of course, nothing is guaranteed or assured at all. All we can do is just giving you the proper analysis and hoping for the best. So hopefully this is going to be our signal for the USD CHF. Hopefully it goes very well, and hopefully everyone will make good profits out of it. Let's now check the gold. Now the gold, actually have given it a lot of thoughts, and I believe most likely the gold is going to be good for the buy this week. If you remember, my friends, I said last week that the gold eventually gonna continue the fall till it reaches the strongest support zone right here on 1763. Now what's gonna happen next is interesting. I believe right now the pair has actually shown a strong rejection to break out from that support as well. Therefore, we can expect from the pair to continue the bullish movement for this week only till it reaches the resistance zone right here on 1804. I believe right now the gold is gonna be stuck in this channel. We're having right here this channel in the past, and again the market has made what seemed like a bullish breakout from that channel, and again we are right now inside the same channel as well. Even when the market has made a reversal right here from that support on 1763, right now we are again inside this channel right here. This is the channel, and again right now we are inside of it. So therefore I believe the gold is going to reverse exactly from the previous resistance right here on 1776.30, and that is going to be the level where we can start buying the gold. And I think if we draw some support trend line right here, my friends, we can see that the market actually has respected that support trend line for quite some time. And look at that. We had right here a bearish breakout from that support trend line. But however, the market didn't hold the position for one attempt, and it was a quite small one, and immediately made another bullish breakout. Now definitely, there is no doubt that that support trend line is going to be respected again, and buying the gold on 1776.30 is going to be the wise decision in my opinion. Relying on that support trend line, we can expect from the market to continue the rise till it reaches the peak of the resistance at 1804.66, which means we are expecting to make approximately 288 pips profit from this signal. Meanwhile, our safe zone will be ranging for 130 pips, because we are relying, as I mentioned before, on that support zone. If the gold is ever going to be able to make any bearish breakout from that support level, then that signal, of course, is no longer valid. So there goes your signals for this week. I apologize for delaying in uploading the video. I was really so much busy. I just got home and immediately started recording. Right now it's 9:34 p.m. Dubai time, and I'm starving. I just needed to finish this video and eat my dinner. However, I just couldn't delay this video any longer. I had to record it right now and post the video as soon as possible. So in the end, please, my friends, let me know if you like the idea of the deeper analysis with the longer version. If you don't like it, or if you think the video is quite boring, let me know also in the comments. Your comments is the only way for me to improve this channel, to know what are the negative and positive things about these ideas. Please let me know what do you think, and I'm so much waiting for it. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.